Hello kids, let's learn a writing numbers 1 to 10. Let's start a numbers read and write. 1. 1 apple. 2. 2 bees. 3. 3 carrots. 4. 4 pencils. 5. 5 tomato. 6. 6 frogs. 7. 7 balls. 8. 8 ice creams. 9. 9 chickens. 10. 10 dolls.